We're beginning a new series this morning. It's called Dirty Little Secrets. We're looking at hidden fees that your credit card company might be charging you. Our financial contributor, Vera Gibbons, is here to reveal all of these secrets. Good morning, Vera.
Good morning, Maggie.
Let's get right to it. The first one, surprise rate hikes.
I mean, this has been happening for some time. The surprise element here is that they are doubling or tripling rates on consumers now. So
in this economy,
when they potentially could be forced to write off over $100 billion over the next year, they're really cracking down. This is putting households over the top.
And they're not telling you about it. You just kind of have to find it in your statement,
right? They have to give you 2 weeks notice in writing, so you want to open those statements.
Okay, very good. Watch your credit limits. They're doing kind of the same thing,
right? They've been cutting the limits. This is something that's been going on for some time. But here's the thing. They're cutting those limits right to the bone. I mean, they're cutting them to just $2 or $3 over your outstanding balance. So you go to make a purchase, you're over the limit, you have to pay a fee, and your credit score takes a hit because you're now using a larger percentage of your available credit. And 30% of your credit score is based on the percentage of the credit that you're using. So now it's more difficult to get any kind of loan, to get a house, to get a mortgage, to get a car, to get a job, to get an apartment. It's a whole domino effect.
Can you do anything about it? Do you have any recourse? Can you call and say, don't lower my limit?
You have very little recourse, and unfortunately, people find out about this the hard way. It's a surprise fee.
Again, they find it in their statements, which they have to scour. Beware of international fees. What does that mean?
This is sort of a surprising one as well. These are fees that they're tacking on when you make purchases overseas, and they have gone up to 3% now by most of the major banks. That's up from 1 or 2% not too long ago. Also, the surprise element here is that you may get hit with a fee even if you're not traveling overseas. You could be buying something online, ordering something from abroad, and the transaction is processed through a foreign bank, and you're hit with this fee, 3% right off the bat.
Another sign of the times. Beware of protection plans. What's a protection plan?
Yeah, these protection plans are being heavily touted as, you know, you must have it if you're fearful you're going to lose your job. We'll protect you, that kind of thing. We have your back. You don't want to go for this. They, in essence, are going to freeze your account, and they're going to charge you about $1 a month per $100 balance that you have. So that adds up, and you're looking at interest rates of an increase of anywhere from 50 to 100%. So just say no to the protection plans.
Just say no. Vera, thank you.